Hey guys, I'm Xander, and today we're going to be talking about the software that we use to operate the OMTech laser. So we use a software called LightBurn. As you can see, this is a template for one of the laser beds. So that looks like this profile here. Our laser is able to do both engraving and vector cutting. And so what that'll look like is you can separate your patterns into different layers, right? From there, you'll decide whether the power and speed settings accordingly. That you can reference with a few tools that we have in the space, a few references. Now, for example, this face would have been laser engraved, and then this outline would have been the vector cut. And it's also important for when operating the laser to realize that the first laser is enabled and the second laser is disabled. And as well as determining all of this, it'd be helpful before you do your print to frame and figure out the profile of your cut.